In this video, I will show you how to make your Steam profile private. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Here we are, as you can see I'm currently here, I've got Steam open. So what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click here on your name where it says manage account, and then on this menu that comes up, click onto view my profile. What that's going to do is take you across to your profile screen. From here, come to the right hand side and click onto edit profile. Then what you want to do from here is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy settings down towards the bottom, and this way you can come to change your profile to private. Now, by having your profile set to public, of course, your community profile includes your profile summary, friends list, badges, Steam level, showcases, comments, and group membership. So if you do have it set to public, of course, people are going to be able to view that. If you don't want people to view that, all you need to do is simply click the box here next to my profile, and you're going to see the option to change this to private. Give that a click. As you can see, the profile is now going to be set to private, and this also applies to your game details. So that's going to basically be games you've wishlisted, and your achievements and playtime. It's all going to be set to private, as well as your friends list and inventory as well. And that is how to make your Steam profile private. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.